This is the video of how much rebar went into the job site. In case you can't really see how much that is, I'm going to walk around it real quick. These things are spaced out a foot for the little one, the skinny rebar, and 6 inches for the thicker stuff, all the way around. This took about a week and a half to put in and complete. Oh man, it's hard to walk here. Oh hell. Okay, around this corner. This is going to be where you walk down into the garage. I think, actually, I don't know.
That's the stairs.
Stairway?
Yeah, stairway to the garage.
There's a lot of rebar. Go.
So this is the inside of the garage here,
This is actually
where the cars are going to be parked, you know. It's all coming up in here. See, this is all the keyway right here, and the next part of the grid connected to it. All crazy. Tons of steel. And that's it.